Class 10 exercise 3.2 question number 1. Form the pair of linear equations in the following problems and find the solutions graphically. You have to find the solution graphically. Although the other methods are quite easy, you are comfortable with that, whatever. But when the question is to find it graphically, you have to find it graphically. We have to proceed the solution with the help of graph. The question is 10 students of class 10 took part in mathematics quiz. If the number of girls is 4 more than the number of boys, find the number of girls and boys who took part in the quiz. We have to find the number of girls and the boys. Quite easy question. In this one, let the number of boys be x and the number of girls be y. Since the total students were 10, the number of students were 10, and the first condition we get here then is x plus y equal to 10. तो पहला condition आ गया हमारे पास. Second condition, if the number of girls is 4 more than number of boys, तो एक तरफ हम लिखते हैं x और एक तरफ हम लिखते हैं y. x is boys and y is girls. x is boys and y is girls. तो अगर हम इस तरीके से लिखते हैं तो गर्ल्स आर 4 मोर, गर्ल्स आर 4 मोर, तो गर्ल्स 4 मोर हैं. तो उस कंडीशन में हम क्या करेंगे, इसमें से माइनस कर दो 4 तो वो इक्वल हो जाएंगे. अब इनकी अलग अलग तरीके से सिचुएशन भी बन सकती है. कुछ लोग क्या करते हैं कि एक तरफ है x और एक तरफ है y. यू हैव x एंड y. This is boys and this is girls. So instead of subtracting this side, they add 4 here and they say it's equal. That is also correct. Some of them take girls as y and boys as x. So first condition तो same ही रहेगी, x plus y equal to 10. Now they are taking girls as x and the boys as y. तो उसके अंदर फिर तुम्हारा x minus y equal to 4 आ जाएगा. That is also correct. That is also correct. This one is also correct. This one is also correct. All three conditions are correct. Now you have x equals to y minus 4. And the second equation, if I write this, x minus y is equals to minus 4. And in the standard form, if you wish to write, then x minus y plus 4 equal to 0 or x plus y minus 10 equal to 0. That will be the standard form. The next one here, we have to make the tables. So for the first equation, it's not difficult. X plus y equal to 10. So x and y, you give the value of x 5, then 10 minus 5 is 5. Or you can take as y is equals to 10 minus x. You give the value of x as 4, 10 minus 4, 6. You give the value of x as 6, so 10 minus 6, 4. It's all verbal calculation, no big calculations. And here what I have done is, you have this equation x equals to minus 4, y minus 4. What I have done is x minus 4 goes to other side, plus 4, that is equals to y. Now I'll give different values to x and I'll get different values of y. अगर तुम इसमें वैल्यू पुट करके करना चाहते हो कर सकते हो, अगर तुम इसमें वैल्यू पुट करके करना चाहते हो कर सकते हो, अगर तुम इसमें वैल्यू पुट करके करना चाहते हो कर सकते हो. सारा सही है, कोई भी गलत नहीं है. गलती कब होगी, जब कैलकुलेशन मिस्टेक होगी, बस. बाकी कोई गलती नहीं है. 3 वैल्यूज निकालनी है हमको, क्योंकि 2 पॉइंट से हमेशा स्ट्रेट लाइन बनेगा, तो 3 पॉइंट हमको हेल्प करेगा करेक्ट ग्राफ प्लॉट करने का. तो इफ आई टेक द वैल्यू ऑफ x एज 2, x इक्वल टू 2, देन y इज इक्वल्स टू 4 plus 2, 6. If I take the value of x as 3, then 4 plus 3, 7. If I take the value of x as, what do you want, 4, 3, 1, then it will be 5. So these are the coordinates and we are going to plot the graph now. Okay, so these points are to be plotted on the graph. I have a graph with me here. I have a graph with me here. I have already drawn the axis, the x-axis and the y-axis. The point of intersection is 0 since the coordinates are quite small, they are not big, they are not large numbers, they are small numbers. So I have taken as 1, 2, 3, 4, 0 is here, so -1 and so on, -1, -2. This is all what I have already written. X, x dash, y, y dash. Already I have written everything. It's y, y dash here, y dash here. I have written everything. So now time to plot the graph. The first point, it's 5, 5. So where is 5, 5? I'll go with the x-axis first 5 and then with the y-axis 5. So it's 5, 5 here. This is the point which is 5, 5. I'll circle it and I'll write here 5, 5. Which is the next point? It's 4, 6. So let us check out here in the graph. 4, 6. Where is 4? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And where is 6? 6 is here. 4, 6. This is the second point. 4, 6. Check for the third point. It's 6, 4. X is 6, y is 4. X is 6, and y is 4. Here it is 4. So I'll write here 6, 4. Time to draw the straight line. So we'll be drawing a straight line with the help of scale. See that all 3 points come in a straight line. Yeah, it's going good. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, this way. And the name of equation is x plus y equal to 10. The name of equation is x plus y equal to 10. So we'll put this here. X plus y equal to 10. Now we move on to the next one. The next one. Let us see the coordinates of the next one. The first one is 2, 6. It's 2, 6. Check out here. 2. 2 is here on the x-axis. 2. And where is 6? Here. This is the point here. This is 2, 6. Check the second one. Second one is 3, 7. Let us check 3, 7. 3 and where is 7? Here is 7. So this is 3, 7. And the third one is 1, 5. Where is 1? Here it is 1 and where is 5? Here it is 5. Dot and a circle. This is 1, 5. Again we are supposed to draw the straight line. So I'll put the scale here. I'll check out all the 3 points in a straight line. Yes, all the 3 points are in a straight line. Draw the line. Now what to do? Write the name of the equation. What is the name of the equation? You can name x minus y equal to -4. You can name it as x minus y is equals to +4. You can name it as y is equals to x minus 4. But this is the best one. X minus y equal to -4. So I'll write here x minus y equal to -4. Both lines are going up to infinity. So we'll be marking this way. Is this done? Is this done? No, it isn't. It isn't. What is the answer? The question was to solve it. Okay, now learn how to solve it. From this point of intersection, either you calculate yourself, that is better, or you can draw this way also. If you find difficulty, you can draw this way also. So again, my suggestion is go with the x first. Go with the x point first. So what is the value of x here? The value of x is equals to 3. At this point, value of x is equals to 3. And at this point, what is the value of y? Y is equals to 7. These are the values of the point of intersection. Now we are going to put the answer here. So answer will be, or the solution or the answer will be x is equals to 3, y is equals to 7. Therefore, number of boys, they were x, they are 3, and number of girls, they were y, and that is equals to 7. This is the final answer. You complete this now. You complete this now, and you complete it this way. सिर्फ एक plot कर देना is not the solution. This is the complete solution. Okay.